Hi guys, welcome to my questions and answer video series. If you're a new gas engineer or working to become one, then this video is for you. I will challenge and expand your current understanding of boiler repair. Also remember to hit the bell and notification button to get the latest questions and answer videos so you don't miss out.
So we took the panel off, cover off everything. You can see we're just going to turn a boiler on. What I want to do, look at the standing pressure and listen to the noise. So you can hear that noise. But it's going to light again as I'm speaking. That's a sound.
So guys, my first question, where is the noise coming from? My second question, what is causing the noise to happen? If you need to, you can pause this video to help you concentrate on the answers. And my third question, what would be the solution to cure the noise problem? Please post your answers below this video. And one more thing, share this video with your fellow gas engineers.